Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 19, 2 ways to duplicate your Adobe Photoshop project on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and the project that we have been working on, which we can see on screen, which is photo.psd. Let's just now click on this, open it up, wait for that to load. And now to duplicate the project itself, let's just go to File, Save As, Photo1.psd, save that to the desktop, click on Save, Format Photoshop, that has now been saved, quit Photoshop. And another way to duplicate the file would be to locate the file which is on the desktop, go to photo.psd, right click, copy photo.psd, right click again, paste item, and now we have photo2.psd, which is the exact copy of the first project. So we now have 3 projects on screen, all from the same project. So we have 2 projects that we just recreated from the first. Let's just click on the first one, click on the second that we made, which is photo 1, and now click on photo 2, which is the third edition that we made. 1, 2, 3, and that's how you duplicate your Photoshop project on screen. So we can quit Photoshop. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.